Every success story starts with a dream. But a dream doesn't become reality through magic. It takes passion, hard work, dedication and determination. After 3 decades in pursuit of excellence, we have become the most reputed name in our industry. Singhal Power Presses Private Limited is an ISO 9001-2015 certified company, empowering lives with engineering. SEW is a flagship company of an esteemed organization, IS Chawla Group of Companies, which was founded in 1950 in Mumbai. The incorporation of SEW took place in 1989 at Rajkot, Gujarat. Over the years, its commitment to world-class products and impeccable customer service has led to make SEW a leading manufacturer of power presses in India today. We have a state-of-the-art infrastructure divided in 2 units. The unit at Bhunava is spread across 435,600 square feet, while the unit at Shapar is spread across 174,250 square feet. Our production facility is equipped with top-notch machineries with CNC profile cutting machine, hydraulic plate straightening machine, shot blasting machine, in-house machine shop furnished with renowned brand horizontal boring machines like Skoda, Doosan, Pama, Asquith, Wharton, WMW, VMC, CNC lathes, CAFO, SNK, Guiding and Lewis, TOS, Shares, Daitsham, WMW Nile Gear Grinding Machine, Quality Control Department is equipped with modern measuring instruments like Faro, Trimos and Hoffler Profile Tester. We offer an extensive range of superior quality power presses which is essentially used in automobile industry like ancillaries of Toyota, Hyundai, Maruti, Honda, Tata, Mahindra, TVS, the Hero Group and many more. Our product portfolio consists of extra rigid cross shaft power press, double crank cross shaft power press, heavy duty gap frame power press, straight sided single crank power press, heavy stamping straight sided power press, straight sided double crank power press, high speed precision power press, quick die change system and press automation. We have a massive capacity to manufacture 800 to 1000 machines per annum. Our products go through a number of processes such as fabrication, casting, forging, heat treatment, in-house machining and required job work. After all these processes are carried out and inspected properly, the parts go through sub-assembly. Thereafter comes electrical assembly, which is followed by trial and testing and pre-dispatch inspection, where the finished product is examined thoroughly and then sent for dispatch. At SEW, quality of our products is of supreme importance. We constantly endeavor to manufacture international standard products by performing quality checks at each stage of manufacturing process. SEW is a dynamic team of over 300 highly motivated and skilled employees in design, production, planning, QC, fabrication and assembly, as well as admin and marketing. In this glorious journey of more than 30 years, SEW has achieved great success. We have manufactured more than 15,000 machines till date and have reached a turnover of 1,000 million rupees. Our goal is to maintain the trust of our customers and to continue being the first choice for the best power presses. We are SEW. We are transforming the world of engineering.